In this video, I want to talk about your homework, which is due on Wednesday. What you're going to be doing is clicking on this hyperlink here of this slides presentation, and you're going to be going to slide 37, and this is what it looks like. And you're going to watch one of these videos of 3 very popular kids' stories. You may want to grab a favorite kid or a puppy and listen to the story. And then once you listen to the story, you will copy the address. So maybe if I read this one, was in a hurry. I want to copy the YouTube address up there. And then what you're going to do is go to Edpuzzle, and you'll be signing up for an account. And then right here, you're going to be putting the YouTube address and search for it, and it will come up. Then what you'll do is you'll go to questions right here. It will be uncut, but you want to go to questions, and then you can add a multiple choice question or an open-ended question. And so as you watch the video, you'll be watching. And then whenever you stop it, that's the point you'll add a question. So you want to ask questions that get kids to think critically, maybe open-ended questions, I would say, because that gets kids to really analyze the story. For example, if you're using the rainbow fish, you might say, why does the rainbow fish lose his color? Or can you think of a time where maybe you've been nice to somebody and it made them feel better? So you want to have it so the kids really think about it. Some of you asked me how many questions you should include. The videos, most of them are about 4 or 5 or 6 minutes long. You don't want too many because your viewer may get a little frustrated if you keep on stopping it because they really get into the story because they're really good. So you may just want to ask like 3 questions. Maybe a good place would be to put one at the end also, maybe as an application question to their real world. Then what you'll do is you will finish it, and then you'll go to Share Preview, and then you'll copy this link. And then what you'll do is you'll go to As You Learn, and you will turn it in right there, Edpuzzle, that you create using a book, and hyperlink it, and then I'll be able to view it. And that's how you do Edpuzzle. But before you go, I've got a question. How do you make sure a hippopotamus is telling the truth? You have him take the Hippocratic Oath. Ha ha, I can hear you laughing. I will see you on Wednesday.